Introduction. The app market keeps growing every day. People all over the world are using apps for lifestyle, business, games, and practically everything else. Many others are interested in creating their own apps, and the question constantly on their mind is, how much does it cost? Well, it is not that expensive. The cost of your app will depend on its type, whether a hybrid app, native app, game, among others. App developer companies are the best for developing app ideas. They may be a bit expensive, but they are the most reliable. This type of organization consists of a team of skilled professionals who will commit to getting the best out of your idea. Having an app developer company will cost you $10 to $250 or more depending on the location. It is cheaper in Asia and more expensive in the UK, North America, Japan, and South Korea. Some freelancers develop great apps at a lower price compared to the app developer communities. The main disadvantage here is that, unlike with app developer companies, where there is a team of professionals, designers, programmers, you will have to find all the professionals on your own. In today's world, people make clones out of existing apps. So if there is an existing app similar to the one you want to make, you can easily buy the source code online for $25 to $200 per license. This is much cheaper compared to creating your own from scratch. After purchasing the source code, get a designer to change the appearance and designs to suit your preferences. Chupa Mobile is a great place to buy templates. You can do most of the redesigning yourself if you have some skills and only employ a freelancer for what you do not know. An online developer can only enhance your app, and the options here are limited. You may not end up with the app you wanted. Using the tools will cost around $10 a month, or an initial cost of $5,000. Average cost of developer team. Basic development team. 1. Project manager, $20 per hour. 2. Programmer, $25 per hour. 3. UI UX designer, $15 per hour. 4. QA engineer, $20 per hour. Extended developer team. 5. Back-end developer, $25 per hour. You may also need a panel designer and an admin. To get the average total cost, decide how many of the above professionals you will need on your team. Get the average total hourly cost, then multiply by the average total hours your app will take. A simple app that only requires the basic functions like email subscription, login, and calendar will take about 400 hours. A moderate app will require 500 to 800 hours, while a more complex app will require about 1,200 hours. From the above estimations, you can get a rough idea on how much your app will cost. However, the charges will depend largely on the technology, complexity, and application size. To get the exact cost, you can always consult a developer team and they will break it down for you. But now you know where to start.